Alrighty, what we're going to do is we are going to calculate the slope between these 2 points and use it to write an equation of a line in slope-intercept form. So first we should remember that slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That being said, we can assign points x1, y1 and x2, y2. Remember that there's that negative sign in the actual formula. Alrighty, so y2 is 4, y1 is -1, x2 is 1, and x1 is -1. You'll notice those double negatives will turn into a plus plus, keep change, change. Okay, and we get our slope as 5 over 2. Okay, double check that I did that right. 4 minus -1, yep. 1 minus -1, yep. All right, now that we have our slope as 5 over 2, we can use that in the formula y equals mx plus b, where y and x could be any points. M is the slope we just found, and we're going to solve for b. Now, because y and x can be any of the 2 points, I'm going to choose 1, 4, because I like positive numbers. Right, so I'm going to use the point 1, 4, and I'm going to use the slope 5 over 2 and solve for b. Now 4 will go in the place of y. 5 over 2 is our slope. 1 is our x. And we're figuring out what b is. Doing the math, we get 4 is equal to 5 over 2 plus b. 5 over 2 is equivalent to 2.5. So if I take it away, I can take away 2.5. I can take away 2.5. Right? Let me double check on my calculator. 5 divided by 2. Yes, it's 2.5. So when I take 2.5 away from 4, I'm left with 1.5. And so that tells me that my y-intercept is 1.5. I'm not done yet. To write it in slope-intercept form, again, y equals mx plus b. I'm going to substitute the slope in for m and the y-intercept in for b, keeping the y and the x. So y is equal to 5 over 2 x plus 1.5 or 3 over 2. They're both equivalent. Voila.